Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the transmission oil in your scooter. Procedure is very easy, so let's start immediately. As we can see, we have a filling bolt and a draining bolt. We need only to unscrew the filling bolt first and then the draining bolt. So let's start immediately. For best results, it's better if oil is at working temperature, so if you can use the scooter before doing the job. In our case, we have a ratchet and a 12mm socket, so let's do and unscrew the bolt. Okay, here we have the bolt. To ensure a complete draining, we are gonna rotate slowly the wheel. Once the oil has drained completely, we clean the bolt and we put the bolt back in. For a perfect job, in this case, we are gonna use our torque wrench. Now we are gonna use our syringe and we are gonna put 120 milliliters of oil into the transmission. So let's do it. It's really important to do this job in a really clean environment because we don't want any debris to go into the transmission. So let's put the oil into the transmission. Once we have filled with oil, we are gonna clean around the bolt and make sure that oil didn't touch the tire. It could be dangerous. Now let's clean the bolt and put it back.